From the first day I met you, I noticed your style. Had that b-boy swagger, not one of the crowd. And you talk like you knew me, kept coming around, and I fell for you, yeah. And then as time kept going, I noticed some things that our love kept growing. Wanted to run away, cause the situations in the past, love never really lasts. Memories just had a hold of me. But I had to let go of the pain, let love rain down on me. Cause you helped me open up my eyes, show me things I could never see. Cause we can fight and we make up, wanna see you when I wake up. I'm staying with you only, cause I need you to show me how a love should really be. I used to wonder where we're going and where I wanted to be. Sit alone, all shook up, waiting for my destiny. Hearing songs on the radio, wishing that could happen for me. Oh. Then when you came in the picture, then I knew quickly that we could build something so strong. Expect the best for the future, forget about what used to be. I need you here all life long. Let go of the pain, let love rain down on me. Help me open up my eyes, show me things I can never see. We can fight and we make up, wanna see you when I wake up. I'm staying with you only, cause I need you to show me how a love should really be. Cause I see the sunlight whenever we touch. All day and all night is never too much. Afraid of my feelings and falling too deep. But everybody's had this happen one time or another, where you need someone to set your heart free. Oh.